Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday demand and supply. See, it's very clear why people are not ready to believe these particular levels. Okay, so this is based on the market profile calculation and many things are there. But you will not find this much of accuracy anywhere. Okay, you will not find this much of accuracy anywhere. Okay, so see, yesterday we discussed in Nifty exactly. This is a Nifty 50 future chart, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so see how the demand and supply zone was how the demand and supply zone was justifying in the live market and after market hours also. You just see yesterday we told that two supply zone on demand zone in Nifty future. One is 19,650, another one is 19,600 level. See, not even a single candle, 15 minutes single candle, not even a single candle closed below 650. And this pin bar, see this hammer, not a pin bar, this is a hammer candle, reversal hammer candle. This is an easy ride if you have a good analysis on candlestick patterns. This is good entry where this hammer was, see, very very important, where this type of information providing by the market. See where this hammer is happening exactly at our demand zone. So there is a demand, right? If this type of green hammer, it shows that there is a market going up, market ready to go up, and where, which place? Exactly at 650. So this is how we have to take entry and exit. As an option buyer, this type of information you have to be study, you have to learn, and you have to take very minimum SL and maximum target. Okay, this is Nifty. See, let's check Bank Nifty. So you can go and cross check our video how good this type of support. See, exactly we told 45,650 is our demand. Okay, this is the first demand. For second demand, first demand where we told 45,807. See, exactly one candle was closed at 45,000, this area 45,807, and second, exactly market came to the second demand zone 45,650. See, after this support, see this particular beauty of spinning spinning green candle. See, you will get only on this type of information which place exactly nearby our demand zone and market went up. Bank Nifty went up. Okay, this is about Nifty and Bank Nifty's yesterday story. So whatever this accuracy was happened is all credit goes to Supreme Market and the entire market profile. Okay, let's check whether how we can plan today's trade and how the extra days previous histories, how these things. See, yesterday we discussed one more thing. The normal retailers, all people are knows that market is negative. See, below this particular day low, market not going much down. Again, below this particular low, market not ready to fall. So if a good seller, if it is a HN higher time frame or smart money they are selling, they won't do take this type of reference. Okay, if they sell on the top and easily they can bring the market on the downside. See, if the negative, this is how we yesterday discussed. See, market was not ready to go more bearish below previous day lows also. Okay, so this is the information you have to keep in your back of the mind and trade and think out of the box. Don't think a normal option buyer. Normal option buyers, they will say market already trading below previous day close, previous day low. Now more than 500 points will Bank Nifty or Nifty 200 points. Bank Nifty will fall another 200 points, 500 points. But not happen. And exactly this same place market took reversal Nifty. Okay, let's check what is today's exactness and what is the anomaly. See, we market profile traders won't believe this open is equal to high. So the people, normal people, normal traders, they will do, they will say that today is a market will big fall. Why? Because open is equal to high. We don't believe this type of blind rules. Okay, right. Let's check where is the demand zone. Demand zone for Nifty, we have nearby here in this particular territory. What is that? Yeah, 640. This particular value area low. This POC you can take it. So 19,640 is today's first demand zone. 19,640 is the first demand zone. Second demand zone 19,585. 19,585. That means there is a two demand zone on the downside. One is 585, sorry, 585, exactly on this low, this particular A period low. Okay, this particular A period low. And first is 640. Okay, first is 640 nearby here in this particular area, 640 demand zone. If market sustaining above, this is a PPOC. Okay, prominent point of control. Okay, if market opening above this particular zone, first supply zone came here. That means 19,750. 19,750 is a first supply zone. Okay, first supply zone will clear this high and market take first supply. Second supply 19,800 level. 19,800 level will be the second supply zone. First supply zone, second supply zone on the top. Downside demand zone, you know. So if market sustaining, so how you can plan the trade is, if market opening here, that means above PPOC, we can go for 750 trade. Why? Because this area will be clearing and moving to the 19,800 level. We can plan. If market opening below, any rejection from this PPOC, go upside, or you can plan 640, any acceptance at 19,640, then there will be the next demand zone market will come. Okay, what about Bank Nifty? Just check Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, yeah, Bank Nifty, quickly we can check 45,820. 45,820 is the first demand zone, and 45,550. 45,550 is a second demand zone. Okay, this PPOC level, below this PPOC level, and supply zone 46,095 will be the supply zone. Okay, and 46,300, 46,000, sorry, supply zone, second supply zone 46,301 is a second supply zone. So plan your trade setup. Kindly click the like button. Subscribe. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe our channel. Maximum share our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Thank you very much.